Hi friends, Jim again from Cozumel. I thought I'd share with you a little bit about my current trip on scuba diving and swimming with turtles and seeing lobsters underwater, having a blast. And then I got to thinking, I know it's hard to actually run the business and grow it from where a lot of people are and where I was just a year ago. I was thinking back to last summer. I was working 7 days a week. I would travel 40-50 minutes each way to the office every day and just didn't have a lot of time to spend with my family and play with my little kids. And now I look at this summer and think about the things I've implemented. I just got back from a trip with my wife out in San Diego, played on the beach, had a great time out with just the two of us. Now I'm here in Cozumel with a buddy diving, brainstorming a bit about the business for strategy reasons. And in a couple weeks I'm going to the Dominican Republic, also with my family, to have a great time. And I think the key difference is some of the steps I implemented along the way. I'm going to share a couple of them with you now. For example, one of the key things we did is we systematized the business. We had to get away from everyone doing things as the way they felt it was and actually document step by step how you do everything, from create a board packet to how you answer the phones. Once that system's in place, the employees don't necessarily matter, and more importantly, me as the owner, doesn't matter that I'm there or not there. So I can get away from the business more, and people can run it the way that it should be ran, properly, with the right systems, the right training, the right methods and procedures. So that's been a great step forward. The other thing we did is we implemented call center technology. This is one of the things in the standard Parker Finch model that I think works really, really well. We take a variable call center. It means we only pay per minute. And what we do when we're paying per minute means we don't have a huge cost of employees or a huge fixed cost of what we're doing. We pay something like 83 to 95 cents a minute when someone calls, whether it's an out-of-hours emergency or it's the middle of the day. In fact, I get emailed reports from these call centers of what's been happening since I've been down here in Cozumel for the last 5 days. I've spent about 10 minutes a day on email checking not only the call center reports, but what the status reports are for my employees, another system we implemented, and the status reports that's going on with some of our vendors. It's a great way to make sure you can get away from the business while it's still working for you. And the business is doing great, very profitable, and it once wasn't. I really had to get the systems in place to make it work, and I think we can help you make it work for yourself. Remember, getting the business to run itself is the goal of business ownership. Just getting a job where you have the title of owner means you've got more responsibilities, less freedom. That's not the goal. It's not why I went in business. Unfortunately, I spent 2 to 3 years experiencing just working probably 2 or 3 jobs instead of enjoying the benefits of ownership. And it took a mental shift of working in the business to working on the business that really made it happen for me. I'm having a great time, enjoying the lifestyle I've got now, and I think you can do it too. Remember, friends, we can help you work on the business, not in it. Use the systems. They'll make you much happier.